Hello, hope you're all doing well. Let's continue with the tutorials. Now I've finished with the master sheet. As you can see, with the exception of the grade you will do it later. So when you check the master sheet, everything is here. Every subject, 50% class score. Every subject class score, which is the 50%, is here, and the exam score 50%, the total score, everything is here, and the position and the remarks and the grade, they are all here. The one that I posted earlier, that one I asked you to continue. I did only to social. You just copy and paste, and you change the formulas, the names of the sheet in the formulas. So as you can see, I've done. Okay, so as you can see, I have done or I continue with the copy and paste. Now finish with all the subjects. So when you look here, we have all the subjects here. The last subject is French, so French, class score, exam score, total score, and the rest. We are now moving to the report session. So that one too will be on a different sheet. So you click on new sheet over here. A sheet is created. Let's rename it to report. Let's rename it to report. You press enter. Now the report, we want it to be in what? Pages. So you go to the page layout. The review. Yeah. Okay, so on the report sheet, you go to view. Then we want it the sheet to appear in page layout. So you double click it, and you see they are in pages. So this side, page 1, page 2, page 3, in that order. So one thing you should take note is that for page 1, let's leave page 1 and start with page 2. You understand why we are doing that. You understand later. We start from page 1. There is a disadvantage. Okay. Now let me check. This one, I'll use this as a guide. Okay, so the first thing on the report is Ghana Education Service. So you come here, your new report, you see the cells are here, and this entire row. So you select the entire row, you click and hold on shift key, then the right arrow key to select the entire cells. On the home page, you click on center and merge. Then you type Ghana Education Service. Ghana Education Service. Ghana Education Service. So let's check the next. The next is the name of the school. The name of the school. So you, as usual, you select the entire cells over here. You merge and center. Here you put a formula here. So you link it to the settings where the name of the school is. The name of the school is at what? F8. So on our report,